Hello everyone, welcome back to my Skillshare project series. Today I am going to discuss about my task 26, which is programming the product removing process from the watch list. In this task, I implemented the functionality that allows buyers to remove products from their watch list. After saving skills to the watch list, buyers should also have the ability to remove them if they are no longer interested. So this feature helps users to manage their saved skills more effectively and keep their watch list organized. The removing process is designed to work smoothly without refreshing the page. When the buyer clicks the heart icon on a watch list, then the system sends a request to the server to delete that product from the watch list database. After the removal is completed, the interface updates automatically so the user can immediately see the changes. Okay, now we are in the watch list page. Here are the products we add in my previous task about task 25. Task 25. So now in this task I am going to remove this. Okay, it's so easy. See? Okay, I am going to remove this item. Okay. The item is removed from the watch list and this also updated to 5 skills. Okay. Now let's move to advanced search page to check whether the sale technique product is removed. Okay, now you can see that in here it also updated. Okay. Now let's move to see my watch list table. Okay, I refresh it. Okay, now in here also you can see it disappeared. Okay, I'll show another one. Okay, now I am going to remove this one. Okay, now it's 4 skills. It's moved to our table and refresh it. Okay, in here also that item is removed. Okay, and I show another. Okay, now 3 skills saved for later. Okay, then this is what I implemented in my task 26. So let's move to see my backend logic. Okay, here on the watch list page, each product card contains a heart button that allows the buyer to remove the item from the watch list. So in this code, each heart button contains a data attribute called data product ID. This attribute stores the ID of the product. When the user clicks the button, this ID will be sent to the server to the system knows which product should be removed from the watch list. Okay, then here JavaScript is used to detect when the buyer clicks the heart icon. An event listener is attached to the watch list grid so that it can listen for clicks on any remove button. Okay, here. So in this script, the program first checks if the clicked element is watch list and watch list heart button. Okay, so if it is the product ID is retrieved from the button dataset, then from data object is created and product ID is added to it. The script then sends post request here to watchlist process.php using the fetch API. This request tells the server that the user wants to remove the selected product from the watch list. Okay, then here the server receives the request in the watchlist process.php file. First, the system validates the user session to ensure that the request is coming from an authenticated buyer. So the security check ensures that only logged in buyers are allowed to modify the watch list. Next, then the system retrieves the user ID and product ID from the request. And if either of these values invalid, the system stops the process and return an error response. Okay, then before deleting the product, the system checks whether the selected product actually exists in buyer watch list. Here you can see that. So this query searches the watch list table to confirm that the product belongs to the current user. So this prevents user from removing items that do not belong to them. Okay, then here if the product exists in the watch list, the system removes it using a delete query. So this query deletes the row that matches the user ID and product ID, and after that the deletion is completed, the server sends a JSON response confirming the item has been removed. Okay, then after receiving the server response, JavaScript updates the interface dynamically. The corresponding product card is removed from the grid. Okay, here is it. Then this code finds the product card using the product ID and removes it from the page without refreshing the browser. Okay, then if the user removes the last product from the watch list, the system displays a message informing the user that their watch list is empty. Here, okay, so this improves the user experience by giving clear feedback instead of leaving an empty screen. Okay, now I will show it. Okay, now you can see your watch list is empty and save skills you are interested in with the heart icon and find them here. So you can now browse skills from here, and if you are interested in it, you can add to this watch list page. Okay, so in this task, I successfully implemented the product removal functionality for the watch list system. Buyers can easily remove items from their watch list by clicking the heart icon on each product card. The system sends an asynchronous request to the server and deletes the selected item from the database, and also updates the interface immediately without refreshing the page. So this feature allows buyers to manage their saved skills efficiently and keeps the watch list organized. Okay, then thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video.